Opening slide. USA F-1 Student Visa. Step-by-step guide. Powered by Parrot Canada. Visa Consultant Co. Limited. Step 1. Look for admission. Begin by applying to a SEVIS approved US school. Submit transcripts, English test scores, and required documents. Once accepted, you'll get a letter of admission. Step 2. Secure for financial support for I-20. To get your I-20, you must prove you can afford tuition and living expenses. This can be bank statements, sponsor letters, scholarships, or sanctioned education loan. Yes, loans are accepted. Step 3. Pay SEVIS fee and DS 160. Pay your SEVIS fee, $350, at fmjfee.com and complete the DS 160 visa form online. Print the confirmation page. Step 4. Make visa application. Pay the $185 visa fee, then schedule your visa interview. Bring your I-20, DS 160, SEVIS receipt, financial proof, and supporting documents. Step 5. Interview day. Be confident and honest. Explain your academic goals and how you'll fund your studies. Don't forget your loan approval letter if you're using a loan. Step 6. Visa approval and travel. Once approved, your F-1 visa will be stamped in your passport. You may enter the US up to 30 days before your program begins. Step 7. Arrival and check-in. Upon arrival, present your visa and I-20 at immigration. Then, report to your school's designated school official at ISO to activate your F-1 student status. Closing slide. Voiceover plus logo. Let Parrot Canada Visa Consultant Co. Limited guide you every step of the way, from admission to visa. Trusted, experienced, global. Contact us today to begin your journey. Email infos@visaconsultantcanada.com. info@visaconsultantcanada.co.ke. WhatsApp +1 431 302 Boss 026 Main Office, Kigali, Rwanda. Town Center Building, near Simba Supermarket. Second floor, door, F2B022C, Nyarugenge, Kigali office. Contacts +250 783314 265 250 781 211 215 +250 780 382 650 44 +250 7A 2844 544. Kenya office, Embu town. Telephone 254 711 807 646. Email info@visaconsultantcanada.co.ke. County, Embu. District, Embu town. Dallas Road Building, D Block, Office B28. Global representative. Contacts 1 Hungary +36 70 352 7547. Do Kenya, Nairobi +254 7111 807646. The Uganda, Kampala +56 784 547 What China +86 1313 257 7440. Turkey +90 530 3869 4092. But USA +1 567 329 9231. Gadan, Rwanda +250 718 273 122. 8 Canada +1 431 302 026. 9 Zambia +260 972 968 281. 10 Mozambique +258 86 352 3312. Join our WhatsApp group for quick support and updates. Join now, take the first step toward your dream career. Apply now. Register here. https app.coursefinder.ai Student Platform BCB14976 Sign up. Use AI-based technology to apply and access US Masters loans. Study abroad. Study in USA. Masters program. Sacham Parrot Canada Visa. Education opportunity. Dream big. Fund your future. Study without limits.